Addison, how are you enjoying the event
sir.
so far?
I am very much.
That's great.
I'm anxious to watch your Super Bandit fly.
Perfect.
All right.
But
Kelly,
3 things get you out of your seat.
enjoying the event?
Super Bandit and
Yes.
Super Bandit
Good.
and Bandit Gambler.
One second, don't set it. I want to check the thing real quick. Let me see. All right.
Miles per hour.
Driver on. Good?
Good.
All right, here we go. Going up high.
Go.
Elevator. Give me 3 clicks right.
Slow down.
Yeah.
50%.
One more click right. One more. Okay.
I gave you 2.
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna trim normal flight.
This is normal flight,
No,
right?
this is not.
Flight mode
This is
one.
normal flight. Give me right trim. More. 2 more. Okay. Let me try elevator. 2 clicks up elevator. 1 more click. Let me feel it.
Okay, right, what? 1/3 throttle.
Yeah. 1 click left aileron. Okay. 1 click up elevator. Excellent. Okay, this is trimmed. Let's trim full flaps.
Okay, slow
5
down.
minutes.
Half
Take
flap.
off mode half flaps.
I'm like almost idle.
You're at idle.
Okay, I'm gonna go for full flaps.
Okay.
Landing mode full flaps in pro.
Okay, right aileron.
16.5 miles
More.
per hour.
Down elevator. Down elevator.
109.4
Okay.
miles per hour. 94.2 miles per hour.
2 clicks right aileron.
90.8
Excellent.
miles per hour.
Okay, it's trimmed.
Trim. Clean up. Fly.
96.2
1 click
miles
up
per
elevator.
hour.
1 click up. That's it. I want to do one slow pass. I just want to feel it.
77.6 miles per hour.
Hands off.
Hands off. Good.
Okay, cleaning up.
Clean up.
All right, it's good.
4 minutes. Warning. ECU offline.
ECU offline.
No, don't worry about it.
I'm gonna stay high.
I know what that is.
All right, should we land?
No, you're good.
Okay. Roll.
Fuel.
Fuel level 83%.
83%. You're going to be too heavy.
Okay. Just burn.
Don't worry about ECU offline. That's telecommunication overload.
Flies great.
Huh?
Flies great.
What?
Flies great.
Flies great?
Yep.
Is it magical?
It's magical. Should I roll or no?
Calm down. Yeah. Stay up, do roll. See how's the roll rate. And then check CG.
Yeah. Some power. Excellent.
3 minutes.
Slightly low pass.
Okay.
We have 16s.
Half power. Beautiful.
Want to open it up?
I want to, yeah.
Yeah, open it up.
On the up one leg. This height.
This side. Come down a little bit lower.
Okay. Open.
Open now.
Full.
Warning, high speed. Timer 2 minutes 10 seconds.
Slow it down.
Yep. Should we set up for landing?
Fuel level 73%.
Still too hot, too much fuel.
Knife edge?
To knife edge.
Like an arrow.
Like an arrow.
Yep. Beautiful.
Fuel level 70%.
70%. Time.
Timer 1 minute 20 seconds.
All right, start setting up.
Okay.
But you're going to be heavy.
Fly for another minute.
Okay.
One minute.
You know what that means? That you were at 1/3
The
or
whole
below
time.
the whole time. You did not use any fuel.
50 seconds.
It's so on arrow.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
That's your flight line.
Set up for now.
40 seconds.
All right, here we go.
That's how the new Ferraris, they're hybrid.
30 seconds. Take off mode half flaps.
Hot knife going through melted butter.
Yep.
20
You may
seconds.
need that trimming with the gear down.
Landing mode
The
full
nose
flaps
will
in
pull you
pro
down.
83.4 miles per hour. Gear down. 81.6 miles per hour. 9, 8,
2 clicks right.
7,
Left. 2 clicks left,
8
aileron.
miles per hour.
Okay, good.
4, 2,
How's your elevator?
One more click left, aileron.
miles per hour.
Elevator's good.
All right. You have pretty much no wind.
83.4 miles per hour.
Okay, I'm gonna come in.
74.7 miles per hour. 67.3 miles per hour.
Keep power.
61.5 miles per hour.
Off
Off
power.
power.
62.4 miles per hour. 50.1 miles per
Pulse the
hour.
brakes. Pulse the brakes.
37.6 miles per hour.
Great job.
25.3 miles per
That's
hour.
it.
Congratulations.
Good job.
Congratulations.
0 miles per hour. 0 miles per hour. 0 miles per hour.
Oh, no.
Fuel 10% below.
Taking off.
Warning, high speed. Excessive high speed.
Get it pressed.
Warning.
Flame out. Flame out. Flame out.